Hi and welcome. In this video, you're going to find out Adele's weight loss transformation. How did Adele lose weight? Adele credits the SirtFood diet and working with a personal trainer for her dramatic weight loss. But it Adele's diet plan, which cut out toxic and processed food and drinks, that allowed the singer to really start seeing results. How many calories Adele lose weight? Adele's former personal trainer has revealed the strict diet the singer was on to help her lose 7 stone. Camila Goodis, known as the Brazilian body wizard, revealed the grueling 1,000-calorie-a-day regime Adele used to shed the pounds on Thursday's Lorraine. How fast did Adele lose weight? If you have been active on the internet, you must have seen pictures of popular singer Adele's dramatic transformation. For those who don't know, the 32-year-old celebrity made waves on the internet with her impressive weight loss where she was able to lose over 22 kilos. In her first Instagram post of 2020, Adele celebrated her 32nd birthday, which was May 5th, if you didn't know, by thanking essential workers on the front lines of the coronavirus pandemic. "Thank you for the birthday, love. I hope you're all staying safe and sane during this crazy time," she wrote in the caption. "I'd like to thank all of our first responders and essential workers who are keeping us safe while risking their lives. You are truly our angels 2020. Okay, bye, thanks." The iconic singer wore a black dress with ruffly sleeves and matching heels, but her figure looked noticeably different. While we think Adele has always looked amazing, it's obvious that she's lost a lot of weight in recent months. No one knows why this is, as Adele hasn't commented on her weight publicly, and rightly so. So we'll say right here and now that we hope Adele is healthy and working with professionals to achieve a diet and fitness routine that makes her feel her best. Here's what we do know. Fans started noticing a change in Adele's appearance around October 2019, when she posted a kissy face Instagram with a caption that included the phrase, "I used to cry but now I sweat," insinuating that she was working out more regularly. It was also well known that Adele and her ex-husband Simon Konecki split up earlier that year, in April. They were married for 2 years and share a 7-year-old son, Angelo Adkins. Then, in December, Adele posted a black and white Instagram at a holiday party, posing with someone dressed up as the Grinch. Around that time, a 19-year-old fan told People that she'd spotted Adele dining out with Harry Styles. The fan recounted a conversation she had with Adele to People. She said she lost something like 100 pounds, and that it's such a crazy positive experience, she says. "She seemed so happy, and she looked amazing. She seemed really confident." But Adele's latest Instagram is the clearest signal yet that she's undergone a significant transformation. Here's what we've put together about her diet and fitness habits so far. She's intensified her workouts. Adele exercises around 3 times a week, according to a source who spoke to Us Weekly in July 2019. Adele never cared about or liked working out, the source said. But it has become a part of her normal routine, and she's been alternating between cross-training and Pilates. She does 60-minute sessions that include cardio, circuit training, and Pilates. She's found a routine that's working for her and is enjoying it more. In a 2016 interview with Vogue, the singer said that she was working out to stay in shape for her performances, which resulted in weight loss. "I was trying to get some stamina for my tour, so I lost a bit of weight. Now I fit into normal, off-the-shelf clothes, which is a really big problem for me," she shared. She allegedly follows the SirtFood diet. In January, People reported that Adele has been following a strict diet. Her weight loss happened because she has cut down drinking and is eating more real food, a source said. But she now loves her physical transformation too. She is more confident, dresses differently, and she just seems happier overall. Many outlets have claimed that the star is following the SirtFood diet, but the singer has never confirmed that she's on it. Adele has been linked to the diet since 2016, and her personal trainer Pete Gerasimo is a fan of it, according to People. The SirtFood diet is based on a book by Aidan Goggins and Glenn Matton. It focuses on eating Sirt Foods, a group of wonder foods that include nutrient-rich options like cocoa, kale, strawberries, and coffee. The diet's website claims that certain foods activate sirtuins, a type of protein found in plants that protect cells against inflammation, to rev up your metabolism and reverse aging. She focuses on being healthy and happy. While some may speculate that Adele's recent weight loss is due to her breakup, Us Weekly says it's more to do with being the best mom she can be. She really wants to be healthy and set a good example for her son, the source said to Us Weekly. She's more focused on feeling good and the health benefits than the weight loss. And since the star plans to release new music this year, a source told People she's feeling happy and excited about the future. She is a new woman with the same great sense of humor. She loves her friends and feels a great deal of confidence. When Adele celebrated her birthday last year, she hinted that she was going through a big period of growth. I've changed drastically in the last couple years and I'm still changing and that's okay. 31 is going to be a big ol' year and I'm going to spend it all on myself, she wrote in an Instagram post last May. For the first time in a decade I'm ready to feel the world around me and look up for once. Be kind to yourself, people we're only human, go slow, put your phone down and laugh out loud at every opportunity, she continued. Learning to really truly love yourself is it, and I've only just realized that that is more than enough. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like, comment. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, and click the link in the description below to learn about an amazing weight loss program.